Hi, this is Bo Buys, and today I want to discuss defamation. Defamation is a false statement published to a third party by the actor of and concerning the plaintiff, tending to cause damage to the plaintiff's reputation. False statement. To meet this element, the statement must be able to be proven true or false. This means that opinions don't qualify. For example, someone says that a restaurant has the worst tasting pasta in the entire city. That is an opinion, and therefore the restaurant owner cannot sue for defamation. If someone says that the pasta at that restaurant killed his son, that is a statement that can be shown to be true or false. There is an exception known as the repeater rule. If someone repeats a defamatory statement, the repeater is also liable for defamation. For example, suppose that stranger overhears the conversation accusing the plaintiff of murder. Stranger then sends an email quoting what was said. Stranger is then liable for defamation because he is a repeater. If the defamed person is a public person, like a politician, an actor, or rock star, then the plaintiff must also prove that the defendant acted with malice. To establish malice, the plaintiff must prove that either the defendant knew the statement was false or was reckless as to the defendant's truth or falsity. This is why newspapers usually won't run stories unless they get two reliable witnesses. That way, they can't be accused of acting with malice.